Hello everyone, this is Nancy. I'm on Norwegian Joy cruise line and right now I'm heading to level 8 balcony to see one of the rescue boats. We're going out to rescue one of the fishing or one of the small boat got abandoned. We just want to see if there anybody still alive on that boat. On March 18, 2022, the Norwegian Joy's cruise ship was heading back to Miami port. On the way, we saw a little boat was floating very shaking. So the captain sent out a small rescue boat to check on it to see whether or not anybody's still alive on that boat. Here's the whole story. So around 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the captain announced on the intercom stating that there is a small boat that needs help. So we have to stop the ship and then send out a rescue boat to check on it.
It's definitely in trouble. There's nobody in the boat, or if they are, they're like unconscious. It's not responding.
So nobody on the boat right now?
I don't think so. One of the other passengers said, "Oh, yeah, we'll see." Lower them is my suspicion.
Oh, now they try to load it down so that way you can go and rescue, see if there's anybody there. I see. Now they lower the tenders, yeah. So there's multiple lights there.
Oh my God. Yeah, it's 2 lights now. It's 2 lights now. I think it is. 2 next to each other.
So yeah, we are on a Norwegian Joy and we got the
So after an hour sending out a rescue boat, the rescue boat came back with no sign of people on the boat itself.
I don't see anybody. Yeah, nobody.
I was talking to one of the gentlemen there and he was saying that probably the boat was trying to escape from Cuba to Miami, and on the way to Miami the boat was so small, so probably they don't have enough water, or the bad weather make the boat flip over, and then that whoever on that boat already got drowned.
Yeah, but it had spot. Oh, yeah, maybe they got to them first. Maybe the other side got them first.
the boat out there.
Wait, what? Was that rescue?
I don't know. I don't know where it's at. They said there was no one on it though. It was confusing.
So we go sitting in the ocean.
Yep.
So we really saw something falling in the ocean. They were coming at you.
I guess that explains how it got out to sea. Maybe someone just didn't tie it.
Put it on the ocean.